Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to unmute your computer on Windows 11. So if you're having an issue with your sound not working, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to make sure your speakers are physically turned on. So if you have external speakers, make sure they are turned on and they are up. Another thing you can try here, down in your system tray, see the little volume icon? Go ahead and click on that and make sure it's turned up here. So again, that's something else you should try. And then you can also go onto your web browser if you're having a web browser issue and right click on the tab or the website you're having the problem with. And if it says unmute site, you want to go ahead and select unmute site. So again, that pretty much will work for most of your web browsers, and hopefully that should have taken care of your problem, guys. Again, something else you can do here would be to right click on the start button and select settings. On the right side, you want to scroll down where it says troubleshoot, recommended troubleshooters, preferences, and history. And then you want to go down and select other troubleshooters. And you want to select underneath most frequent playing audio, select the run button. So I'd recommend following along with any recommendations here. And again, hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.